My friend, let me share something simple with you today. Something so small, yet so powerful that it surprises most people when they try it for the first time. We are talking about the Vicks foot trick, a gentle, natural way to help your body relax, breathe better, and heal while you sleep. You've probably used Vicks since childhood. Maybe your parents rubbed it on your chest when you had a cough, or maybe your grandmother used it whenever someone felt congested in the house. But what many people don't know is that Vicks has another use, a secret that works beautifully at night, especially during seasons when coughs, sinus pressure, and restless sleep become common. Let me explain why this trick is becoming so popular around the world. Vicks contains menthol, eucalyptus, and camphor, three strong natural ingredients known for their ability to relax the airways, cool inflammation, and calm irritated nerves. When these ingredients get absorbed through the skin, especially through the feet, they create a gentle therapeutic effect. Your breathing becomes smoother, your chest feels lighter, and your sleep becomes deeper and more peaceful. Now you might wonder, why the feet? Why not just the chest? Well, your feet have over 7,000 nerve endings. They connect to different parts of the body, including your respiratory system. When you apply something warm and soothing on the feet at night, your nervous system responds quickly. This is why applying Vicks on the feet creates a comforting effect that starts spreading upward. Many people say they feel their chest relaxing within minutes. I have seen people use this trick for several reasons: chronic cough, nighttime congestion, blocked sinuses, trouble breathing at night, and even simple restless sleep. And the beauty of this method is that it's non-invasive, gentle, and works while you sleep. You don't have to do anything extra. Just apply, cover, and rest. Here's a simple example. A mother I once guided had a young child who couldn't stop coughing at night. She applied a small amount of Vicks on his feet, covered them with soft socks, and within half an hour the cough reduced. The child slept peacefully, and so did the mother. This isn't magic. This is physiology. The menthol vapors travel upward, calming the irritated throat and relaxing the chest area. And it isn't just for children. Adults who struggle with sinus pressure, cold air sensitivity, or nighttime anxiety also benefit greatly. At night, your body begins its repair process. It lowers your heart rate, increases oxygen intake, and tries to heal the tissues. When you support your body with something soothing like Vicks, you accelerate this natural healing cycle. So today, I want you to think of this simple nighttime routine not as an old trick, but as a gentle form of self-care. Something you do for yourself or your family to ensure that your nights are calmer, your breathing is easier, and your mornings are fresher. Now, my friend, let's talk about something most people never think about: the incredible power hidden in your feet. You walk on them every day. They carry your weight. They balance your body. But deep inside your feet, you are calming nerve endings, improving circulation, warming the respiratory pathways, and supporting deeper sleep. Now that you understand why the feet respond so beautifully to Vicks, let me walk you through the real-life benefits people experience when they use this nighttime routine. These are not just theories. These are results people feel within hours. And remember, the beauty of this method is that it works while you sleep without extra effort. 1. Cough relief. The most common use of the Vicks foot trick is for reducing coughing at night. Menthol has a cooling, numbing effect that relaxes the cough reflex. When it travels upward from the feet, it gently calms the nerves responsible for chronic, dry, or tickling coughs. Think of it as turning down the cough volume so the body can rest. I've seen parents try everything for their child's nighttime cough, but nothing worked until they applied Vicks on the feet. Within minutes, the coughing eased, allowing the child to sleep peacefully. That's the power of targeting nerve pathways through the feet. 2. Sinus and chest congestion relief. If you struggle with blocked sinuses or a heavy chest at night, this routine can help. The natural vapors in Vicks, especially menthol and eucalyptus, open the nasal passages and airway tubes. Even though you apply it to the feet, the effect reaches the respiratory system through nerve communication and absorption. You may notice your breathing becomes smoother, deeper, and more comfortable, especially when you lie down. 3. Better sleep quality. Sleep becomes deeper when the nervous system is calm. The warmth and soothing aroma of Vicks help your brain shift into relaxation mode. When the feet feel warm and the body feels safe, your system naturally releases tension. Many adults who struggle with nighttime restlessness, stress, or shallow breathing say this foot trick helps them fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. It's like giving your body a nighttime signal. Relax, it's time to heal. 4. Relax muscles and stress relief. Camphor and menthol also work as mild muscle relaxants. If you spend long hours standing or walking, applying Vicks to your feet can soothe tired muscles, reduce inflammation, and calm achy joints. This makes your sleep more restorative. People with plantar fasciitis or general foot soreness notice. Quick relief with this method at night. 5. Moisturizing dry, cracked heels. This is a secret benefit many people don't expect. Vicks contains petrolatum, which is similar to petroleum jelly. When applied on dry heels and covered with socks overnight, it softens the skin, repairs cracks, and reduces roughness. In just a few nights, the skin becomes smoother and healthier. 6. Calming irritated nerves. Your feet have nerve pathways linked to coughing, breathing, digestion, and stress. When these pathways are soothed at night, your entire system feels more balanced. This explains why some people feel a gentle calming or cooling sensation. If you have asthma, test a very small amount first. Pregnant mothers should consult a healthcare provider before using strong menthol-based products. Step 8. Natural alternatives. If you prefer natural options, you can replace Vicks with eucalyptus oil diluted, peppermint oil diluted, coconut oil with a drop of menthol, shea butter for cracked heels. These alternatives also work well, especially for people with sensitive skin. My friend, the Vicks foot trick works wonderfully on its own, but if you want even deeper sleep, smoother breathing, and a calmer night, let me share a few simple lifestyle habits you can add. These tips are gentle, effective, and easy to follow. Many people overlook them. But when you combine them with your nighttime routine, your body repairs faster, your mind becomes quieter, and your breathing stays clear throughout the night. 1. Use a humidifier or simple steam bowl. Dry air is one of the biggest reasons people wake up coughing or congested. Cold or dry air irritates the throat and nasal passages, making them tighter. If you can, keep a small humidifier in your room. It adds moisture to the air, allowing your lungs to relax more easily. If you don't have a humidifier, simply place a bowl of warm water in your room. It gently increases moisture and makes breathing easier while you sleep. 2. Take a warm shower before bed. A warm shower is more powerful than most people realize. It opens the sinuses, relaxes the breathing muscles, and reduces stress hormones. Warm water signals your brain that it's time to rest. You don't need a long shower, just 3 to 5 minutes is enough. Let the warm steam soften your chest and face. When you lie down afterward, you'll feel your breathing settle naturally. 3. Practice deep breathing for 1 minute. Before you sleep, place your hand on your chest and take slow, deep breaths. Inhale gently through the nose, hold for 1 second, exhale slowly through the mouth. Repeat this for 1 minute. Deep breathing relaxes your diaphragm, increases oxygen flow, and reduces nighttime anxiety. This simple habit prepares your whole system for restful sleep. 4. Elevate your pillow slightly. Sometimes congestion worsens when you lie completely flat. Raising your pillow just a little, 1 or 2 inches, helps your airways stay open. This position reduces pressure on your sinuses and prevents mucus from settling in the throat. If you suffer from snoring, blocked sinuses, or nighttime coughs, elevation can make a huge difference. 5. Avoid cold air right before sleeping. Stepping into cold air or drinking chilled water before bed tightens the airways. Try to keep your room comfortably warm and avoid exposing your chest or feet to cold air. Warmth allows the respiratory muscles to stay relaxed, which leads to smoother breathing. 6. Stay hydrated during the day. Most people don't realize this. Dehydration makes nighttime coughing worse. When the throat gets dry, irritation increases, making the cough reflex more sensitive. Drink small amounts of water throughout the day. You don't need to drink too much at night, just enough to prevent dryness. A warm herbal tea in the evening works beautifully. 7. Create a calm sleep environment. Your body heals best when your mind is calm. Keep your room dim, reduce noise, and avoid bright screens at least 20 minutes before bed. This allows melatonin, the sleep hormone, to rise naturally. You can even rub a tiny amount of Vicks under your nose or on your temples if you enjoy the calming aroma. My friend, as we come to the end of this guide, I want you to remember something very important. Your body is always trying to heal you. Every single night, when you close your eyes, your system begins a beautiful process, repairing tissues, calming inflammation, clearing the lungs, restoring energy, and resetting the mind. And when you support this natural healing with simple habits like the Vicks foot trick, You make that process easier, smoother, and much more effective. Many people think good health requires complicated routines or expensive treatments. But healing often begins with the smallest, gentlest steps. A warm pair of socks, a soothing aroma, a quiet room, a routine that tells your body you are safe. You can rest now. These are the moments when true recovery begins. What I want you to understand is that nighttime is not just for sleep. It is one of the most powerful healing windows your body has. When you give your feet the comfort of Vicks, when you keep your chest warm, when you breathe deeply before bed, you're sending your body a message of calmness, a message that opens the airway muscles, relaxes the nerves, and quiets the cough reflex. This is why so many people wake up in the morning feeling lighter, clearer, and more refreshed after using this simple trick. Healing doesn't always happen instantly. Sometimes it's the small daily habits that bring the biggest changes over time. Maybe today you'll feel a little more relaxed. Tomorrow, your coughing will reduce. After a few nights, your sleep becomes deeper, and slowly, your entire system begins to feel balanced again. I've guided thousands of people over the years, and one thing I always tell them is this: consistency is more important than intensity. You don't need to use Vicks once in a dramatic way. You just need to use it regularly in a gentle way. The body loves routine. It loves patterns. When you give it the same loving care night after night, it begins to respond beautifully. This trick is not only for those suffering from cough, sinus pressure, or cold weather issues. It's also for anyone who wants restful sleep, warm, comfortable feet, calm nerves, and a peaceful mind. Even if you feel completely healthy, this simple routine can help you maintain that health by supporting your respiratory system and nervous system. And remember, health isn't just about treating problems. It's about preventing them. That's what little nighttime rituals like this do. They strengthen you. They prepare your body for the next day. They help you face the world with more energy, more clarity, and more confidence. So tonight, my friend, give your feet this small gift. Warm them, soothe them. Let the ingredients in Vicks gently do their work. Cover yourself, relax, and allow your body to restore itself in peace. You deserve restful nights. You deserve easy breathing. You deserve a healthy, energized tomorrow, and it all starts with a simple step you take before you sleep.